I'm glad you called me immediately because acting quickly is the best thing you can do in situations like this.
Thank you for coming so fast. My mind has been racing ever since I realized my phone was missing.
Don't worry. We'll go through everything one step at a time instead of trying to solve every problem at once.
I really hope we can find it because almost every important part of my life is stored inside that phone.
First, let's sign into your Google account and check whether your phone's location is still available.
That's a good idea. I completely forgot about the tracking feature because I was too busy panicking.
Sometimes stress makes us forget the simplest solutions, which is why it's important to stay calm.
Alright, let's check it together and hope we get some good news.
Look at the screen. The phone was active a few minutes ago near the next railway station.
At least we finally have a location. That gives me a little hope.
Before we do anything else, we should protect your personal information because that's much more valuable than the phone itself.
You're absolutely right. I have my banking apps, email accounts, and digital wallet on that device.
Let's change your passwords immediately so no one can access your personal accounts.
I'll also call my bank and request that they temporarily block mobile banking until I get everything under control.
That's a smart decision because it's always better to be careful than to regret it later.
I never imagined losing a phone could create so many different problems at the same time.
Most people don't realize how much personal information is stored on their phones until something like this happens.
From now on, I'll definitely be more careful whenever I'm traveling.
Good afternoon. How can I help both of you today?
Good afternoon, officer. I would like to report that my mobile phone was stolen while I was traveling on the train this morning.
Do you remember where you last used your phone before you noticed it was missing?
Yes. I checked a work message just before I boarded the train, and when I got off, it had disappeared.
Please provide your phone number, the model of your phone, and your IMEI number if you have it.
Fortunately, he has the phone box at home, so we can easily find the IMEI number.
That's very helpful because it makes tracking the device much easier if we receive any updates.
I really appreciate your guidance. This situation has been very stressful for me.
Don't worry. We'll register your complaint and do everything we can to help.
Look at your email. I think you've just received an update from the tracking service.
Really? Let me check it immediately because I've been waiting for some positive news all day.
It says your phone was turned on for a few minutes, and its location has been updated again.
That's amazing. At least we know the phone hasn't disappeared completely.
Let's share this information with the police because it might help them continue the investigation.
I honestly wasn't expecting any good news today, so this gives me a little more confidence.
Even if you don't get the phone back immediately, you've already taken the right steps to protect yourself.
You're right. Staying calm has helped me make much better decisions.
I could see from your face that today didn't go the way you expected. Are you feeling all right now?
I'm feeling much better than I was this morning because Rahul helped me stay calm and solve each problem one step at a time.
I'm proud of you for handling such a stressful situation without giving up or making careless decisions.
I learned that losing a phone isn't just about losing a device. It's also about protecting your personal information and acting quickly.
That's an important lesson, and I'm sure you'll be much more careful from now on.
Absolutely. I'll always keep my phone secure, back up my important data, and make sure tracking is turned on.
Every difficult experience teaches us something valuable, especially when we stay calm and learn from our mistakes.
I completely agree. Today was stressful, but it also reminded me that staying calm and asking for help can make even the biggest problems easier to handle.